Welcome back to origami videos. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this simple paper envelope. All you're gonna need is a piece of paper that is A4 format, and we'll start by folding our paper in half. Now you will open your paper and we'll fold this upper line of the paper to the middle line, so we'll bring this corner down here. And once you have it, press it down. And now we will repeat the same step on the other side, so we'll fold this corner of the paper down here. Just like this. Now we'll fold this bottom line of the paper to this line of the upper layer. So fold it in half and adjust it with the edges. And once you have it, just press it down. And now we'll roll it over on this line. So just flip it over and press it down. Like this. In next step, we will fold this top point of the paper down here to the bottom line of the paper on the middle line, so down to here. Like this, and just press it down. Now we'll take this outer line of the paper and we'll fold this line to the center line, so just fold it in half and align it with this upper edge. And once you have it, press it down and repeat the same step on the left side. Just like this. Now we'll fold this top layer and we fold it on this line, so from bottom corner to here where this line breaks, so this point on this line. Like this. And repeat the same step on the other side, so where this line breaks and bottom corner. Just like this. Now we'll leave this part that has point on it and we'll tuck the point of the paper in the pocket right here. Like this. And this is how you make your first paper envelope. I hope you enjoyed this video and subscribe for more like this. Bye!